fish in here. Don't look at my dirty windshield. But as you can see, Eric got out to help this guy. He's launching his boat. It is ripping. It's turning that boat sideways. So we are not going to fish here. It's too low and it's too fast, and the wind is supposed to be like 10 to 12 out of the northeast, which was not what was forecasted yesterday, but that's the story of our life. So anyway, we're going to see what's going to happen, and we may try somewhere else. If not, we'll go home and work in the yard. Catch me later. So we made it in the water. It's beautiful. But for some reason it seems really hard to steer the boat a little bit. It just hasn't been used enough. I think that's Eric coming there. Beautiful birds. Can you even see them? Where are they at? Oh, there they are. Hopefully we'll have a good day. Kind of breezy. Real breezy, actually, if you want the truth. Catastrophes, but now we're gonna catch some fish. Gonna catch some fish, hon? What you going to? Big ones. Look at the pink flamingos, or something green. Maybe not flamingos. I don't know. They're so far away now. Okay. Yep. Ah, you was robbed. Need another one? So we think it's some kind of jack. Right. Oh, he's pretty. What was that? Good job, babe. I guess that's 1-0. Only 11 feet. You'd think it'd be deeper. The not joys of the boat ramp here. So this is not the joys of the boat ramp when you have to wait for people coming in and out. I think it's only supposed to be a one ramp, but that guy's doing his boat too. I'm not sure what the other man's doing. He's coming in or going out or waiting around. Or just
because it's pointed that way.
trying to hold it to the dock. Yay. This is the intercoastal that runs all the way down to Florida. Also part of the Amelia River and several rivers flowing in. A boat up there. I think it may be backed up at that place over there. Maybe. You probably can't see it, but those are like condos and stuff on the main beach. Maybe the Omni or Ritz, something out there at Amelia. So it made it back to the boat ramp. Comes Eric. He had to go walk forever and a day to get the boat. And this guy's still holding his kayak. Yeah. Caught that one pompano, and a toadfish. I got stumped, but I didn't catch anything. It's nice right in here. It was crazy out there under the black rocks. Okay, see what the rest of the day holds. So now, to add to our aggravation, I lost part of our strap. It's been a whole thing today, hasn't it, baby?